Hey guys, this is Jack from Team Tech Printing Insider, and today I'm going to talk about the cleanliness of the Bambu Lab H2D laser. So I've seen a lot of videos about how people think this could have been Bambu Lab's biggest mistake by adding a laser to a 3D printer. So today I'm going to show you guys the cleanliness before and after laser engraving wooden coasters. So let's take a look inside the Bambu Lab H2D before. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use the Bambu Lab Studio app to start lasering. I already have a preset stencil that I use for my business. Then go to prepare. First, you want to capture your image so you know where your material is. Then you want to pick your material. Then do a measurement so you'll know how thick it is. This is a more non-precise measurement, but it has it. Then you want to recapture image so you make sure the material hasn't moved. Then line it back up. And that's pretty much it. Then you can send it. Now you pretty much just want to come out to your printer. The button will start flashing. You want to hold it for about a second. And once it makes a little ding, you want to go inside because the laser could harm you. You can come back to your computer, press the little play button, and you can watch it laser. As you can see, it's pretty fast. And if there is a fire when you're doing wood, it will seal all the vents and it will start making a very loud buzzing sound. And if you ever want to stop it because it's doing something wrong, there's a stop button in your bottom left corner. So guys, now you can see as it's finishing the last coaster, there's really not that much smoke. But when you are laser cutting, there's a decent amount of smoke, so there's just a little bit of maintenance required after, just wiping down the little sensors. And it's about to be done. Once it finishes, it will tell you that it must air out for 30 seconds and it will not allow you to open the door. You'll see it pop up. You have to wait those 30 seconds and then it will allow you to open that door. Okay guys, as you can see, it finished lasering. We're going to open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. The coasters came out pretty great, so I'm going to grab them out. Now let's look at the inside. As you guys can see, it is pretty clean. There are a little bit of wood particles on the board, but to note, even though that it's clean, you should always maintain maintenance on it so your machine does not become broken. All in all, I would 100% recommend this machine for people that are looking to do multiple things. If you're looking to just 3D print, I would go with the regular 3D printing combo. This is an amazing machine. I would recommend it 100%. It is definitely worth its money. I've done so many things with it. It's just great. If you guys have any questions, please comment. Please like and subscribe to see more videos on the Bambu Lab H2D full 40-watt laser combo.